Hello, my lovely people. I am going to show you how I prepare this easy and healthy banana oatmeal pancakes without sugar for your breakfast in few minutes. Just keep watching. Here are the ingredients. For the full list of these ingredients, I'm going to put them at the description box below. In a blender, I'm going to throw in the ripe banana peeled and cut, followed by 2 eggs, 1 cup of oatmeal, cinnamon powder and salt, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Then cover and blend all the ingredients until I get a creamy texture or smooth batter like this. Now take a look at this. This is exactly the texture I'm looking for. I don't want it too thick. It's a nice texture for the batter. Here I have a dry clean pan in which I'm going to grease with this coconut oil. Make sure you grease the pan very well with coconut oil using the pastry brush. Once heated, I'm going to scoop in small portion of the pancake batter. Lower the heat to medium. I shake the frying pan so that the pancake will not stick at the bottom like so. At this point, you will find out that the pancake has some bubbles around the edge. It is now time to flip it over. If you realize it is turning brown so fast, then lower the heat. I normally start on medium heat, then decrease the medium low later so that my pancake won't burn. I will continue cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the underside is golden brown. Then I take it out from the heat. I'm going to repeat the same process and fast forward the video, and I'll be right back. Make sure that you keep your eyes on it. If at any point you realize that the fry pan starts smoking, then you know that the fry pan is too hot. You better reduce the heat in order to get that very golden brown pancakes. I can tell you this is a very healthy recipe for breakfast. You don't need sugar for it. Your ripe or even overripe banana is enough for you. And look at it, it's already looking yummy. I would like you to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your wonderful support. If you're new here, I think this is the right time for you to press that red button and make sure you activate the bell so that you will be the first to see my video. Please like, comment, and share my video with your friends and families. Till next time, remain blessed and stay healthy. Bye for now.